Hi, welcome to Vajrala Tutorials. Today we are going to discuss about long vowel sounds and short vowel sounds. You all know that we have 5 vowels in English alphabets. They are A, E, I, O, U. First of all, let's discuss the short vowel sounds. Short vowels are vowel sounds that are pronounced in a short form. For example, apple. As you know, apple starts with the letter A. Here, A makes sounds like A. Here, the sound of A is the short vowel sound. Next, E. E for egg. Here, E makes sounds like A. Next, I for ink. Here, I makes sounds like E. Next, O for orange. Here, O makes sounds like O. Next vowel is U. U for umbrella. Here, U makes sounds like A. Umbrella. These are the short vowel sounds. Now, let's discuss the long vowel sounds. Long vowel sounds sounded like you are saying the letter itself. For example, A for angel. Here, A sounds like the letter itself. Next, E for eagle. Here, E makes sounds like E. Next vowel, U. U for uniform. Here, U makes sounds like U. These are the long vowel sounds. I hope you understand this concept. Bye bye, children.